So hello, good morning class. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. I'm also good. So be ready for today's revision class. Today we will revise the poem The Racing with the Wind, and before that there is a once again you have one video which is related to good habits and bad habits. Okay, and you have to complete the work, you have to revise all the work, and after that when the school will reopen I will check all the work. Okay, your 5 marks is depend on your home task, so be aware about the work and you have to do neat and clean proper cursive handwriting. It is mandatory for everyone. I don't want any kind of spelling mistake or overwriting in your notebook. Okay, so be ready for the class.
Let's learn about good habits. Brushing teeth twice a day. Brushing teeth twice a day. Washing hands before meals and after using the toilet. Washing hands before meals and after using the toilet. Take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Listening when others are speaking. Listening when others are speaking. Saying please and thank you. Saying please and thank you. Tidying up toys and belonging after use. Tidying up toys and belonging after use. Being polite and respectful to elders. Being polite and respectful to elders. Doing homework on time. Doing homework on time. Helping parents or teachers when needed. Helping parents or teachers when needed. Sleeping early and wake up on time. Sleeping early and wake up on time. Eating healthy food. Eating healthy food. Drinking enough water daily. Drinking enough water daily. Be responsible, for example packing school bag, wearing seatbelt. Be responsible, for example packing school bag, wearing seatbelt. Apologizing when wrong. Apologizing when wrong. Sharing with others. Sharing with others. Let's learn about bad habits. Nails biting and picking nose. Nails biting and picking nose. Throwing tantrums. Throwing tantrums. Being rude and using bad words. Being rude and using bad words. Lying. Lying. Watching too much TV or screen time. Watching too much TV or screen time. Hitting or pushing others. Hitting or pushing others. Not listening to parents and teachers. Not listening to parents and teachers. Skipping meals or eating too much of junk food. Skipping meals or eating too much of junk food. Not finishing homework. Not finishing homework. Disrespecting to elders. Disrespecting to elders. Cheating during games or exam. Cheating during games or exam. Blaming others for mistakes. Blaming others for mistakes. Leaving toys or books everywhere. Leaving toys or books everywhere. Being lazy. Being lazy.
सारे सरकारी कामों को ऑनलाइन करना सीख लो और उसके लिए सीखो ऐप.
So dear student, we will going to revise poem Racing the Wind. Take out your literature book, page number 35. Okay, Racing the Wind. Who is the poet? Michael Glover. It is written by Michael Glover. Okay, I said to the wind, I will race you, then to the gate, there and back again. So here the boy, the poet said कि we will do the race. किससे बोलते हैं? विंड से. ठीक है, कि कौन पहले गेट से वापस आता है. But the wind said to me, how will we tell which of us won? अब now जो विंड है वो कहती है कि हम में से कौन जीता, ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा. I am invisible. मैं तो invisible हूँ. So I thought that and thought. And then I found a crisp bag. Crisp bag means a empty chips bag. Okay, crumbled on the ground. जो crush करा हुआ ground पे पड़ा हुआ था. I picked it up and said to the wind. अब उसने क्या कहा? उसने वो क्रम्बल्ड जो था बैग उसको उठाया और जो क्रश करा हुआ था उसको ग्राउंड पे देखा और उसने विंड से कहा, क्या कहा? यू ब्लो दिस एंड आई विल जस्ट रन. तुम इसे ब्लो करना. ब्लो मीन्स फूकना, उड़ा देना. एंड देन आई विल रन. ओके, हु सेड दिस? The poet, the boy said to the wind, you blow this and I will just run. So off we went, me and that bag. अब हम दोनों में से पहले जो पहुंचेगा, या क्रम्बल बैग और मी. ओके, डैशिंग लाइक मैड. डैशिंग लाइक मैड में पागलों की तरह भागना. नॉट वंस लुकिंग बैक, और कोई भी पीछे नहीं देख रहा था. बट व्हेन we got there, the bag went on. और जब हम वहां पहुंचे तो क्या हुआ? बैग वहां पे था ही नहीं. The bag went on bouncing, flying right across. बैग तो कहीं और ही उड़ गया था. Right. Now, turn the page. Page number 36. The next page of this poem. Okay, everyone. Now turn the page. The playing field till it got lost. Well, I raced back to the starting line, shouting, I have won. Won means the second form of win. Now what happened? The playing field till it got lost. कौन लॉस्ट हो गया? कौन हार गया था यहाँ पे? विंड. ओके. वेल आई रेस्ड बैक, और जब मैंने वापस मुड़ के देखा टू द स्टार्टिंग लाइन, स्टार्टिंग लाइन पे आई शाउट, और उसने जोर से चिल्लाया. किसने? द बॉय, द पोइट, कि आई हैव वन, मैं जीत गया. योर बैग कांट रन इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. तुम्हारा बैग तो स्ट्रेट लाइन पे भी नहीं उड़ सका. द विंड just didn't know what to say. The wind was upset because he was not satisfied with the result. And he has nothing to say. It huffed and puffed. Huffed and puffed means जब हम रेस करते हैं उसके बाद क्या हो जाता है? हम हाँफने लगते हैं. हाँ, like this. This is called huffed and puffed. And gruffed around. Gruffed means when you are not agree with some decision. जब हम किसी चीज से agree नहीं करते हैं, like unfriendly decision. So the wind was rattling and the chimney pot all day. अब क्या हुआ? चिमनी पॉट्स होते रूफ्स के सबसे ऊपर जहां से धुआं निकलता है. राइट. सो अब वो विंड वहां पे होल डे बैठा रहता था ये देखने के लिए, ब्लोइंग अक्रॉस द राउंड एंड डाउन, सर्चिंग द बैग इट लॉस्ट, जस्ट टू चेक कि वो बैग आखिर कहाँ चला गया. अब वो पूरे टाइम ये देखता रहता था कि बैग कहाँ चला गया. सो दिस इज द पोम विच यू हैव टू रिवाइज अगेन. आफ्टर दिस आई विल शेयर द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस पोम विच यू हैव टू राइट एंड लर्न. ओके. So here are the question answers. First question, why was the wind hesitant to join the race? The wind was hesitant to join the race because it was not sure how they would decide which of them had won the race, as the wind itself was invisible. Question number second, how do you think the speaker's idea of using a bag to measure the speed of the wind? The speaker's idea was a clever one that could easily be executed. Now, question number 3, do you think the wind was happy with the result of the race? How do you know? The wind of answer, the wind was not happy with the result of the race because the word gruffed indicates the mood of the wind. So these three question answer you have to learn. You have to learn first, then you have to write in your notebook, which is already written in your notebook. Okay, so this is your today's homework. You have to learn these three question answers and you have to write. Okay, and apart from this, you have to revise sick leave also. You have to revise the sick leave, which is very important, and revise paragraph writing also. 2 paragraph writing which you have to revise. First is good manners, and second, importance of books. Okay, books are our best friend.